assistant professor, Department of Electronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So I'm a basically PLC programmer and technical discover too. And today we are going to discuss about robotics. So robotics is the kind of domain which come under the computer applications. Okay, we can use this robotics for the human assist for manufacturing the products and designing the products, for checking the quality of the products. You can use it. Okay. So in basically industry, we have many kind of robotics are available. One is the welding robots, pick and place robots, and the cobots. Those kind of robotics are available. Okay. So and today we have one kind of pick and place robot. We can see one by one here. So basically, it's a kind of pick and place robot. The major components of pick and place robots is that stepper motor, and then servo motor, and then servo port, and then one gripper which is used for to pick the object, and then we have one processor. So the name is called Cortex M4. Cortex M4 also, and also we have some servo port. The servo port it's act like a total control system. You give the what kind of degree of angle the motor is working right now. We can check it using by that way. So and also. Basically, it is used. This robot is used to pick the object for the particular angle and place the object to the particular angle. So we can use it for the work actions. Okay. So initially, we have an application called MATLAB. Okay. So in MATLAB, we have application on MATLAB. So by using this application, we can control this entire pick and place robot. Okay. Initially, we have pre-program ICs available in same device. So we have to program by that way what kind of axis is available. Okay. So basically it's a first degree, it's a first axis, second axis, first axis we can rotate the entire robot for the 360 degree. For the 360 degree. In second axis, we can control the robot for the 90 degree only. For the 90 degree only. Even in the second axis, sorry, in the third axis, also we can control the robot in 90 degree only. In the fourth axis, we can control the robot entire 360 degree. You can see this object. So it's like rotating object. You can see here. And also for the first axis also we can rotate the 360 degree. Okay. And then on the fifth axis we can move it up and down. It may be we can call as 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. And finally we have one kind of gripper which is made of on aluminium. It's a payload 2 kg. We can lift the object up to 2 kg level, and then we can pick the object by using the closing command, and also we can place the object by using the open command. Okay. And also initially we have to check it out the entire angle of the every axis. Okay. And also we can consider the degree of freedom. Basically, what is degree of freedom? So degree of freedom is used for to know the axis controllable. Basically DOF, which means degree of freedom. Okay. Which is used for to know the angle proportions about the motor, and then our movement of this actually movement actually. So what kind of angle we can move, how much angle we can move. So basically we can say degree of freedom, how much angle that motor or gripper laboratory freedomly we can move it. Okay. So we can say it a degree of freedom likewise. Okay. So so remaining those kind of operation we can discuss, and then we can easily know about. Okay. So anyone can ask, right?
Pick and place robot is used for picking and placing of small objects or up to 2 kgs, which is used in manufacturing industries and factories, which can rotate up to 90 degree in 90 degree in area of this 3 axis.
Because he said bottom base we can rotate around this degree, and then this I mean we can say as a first axis, and second axis we can rotate around 90 degree, and third axis we can rotate we can move it around 90 degree, and then fourth axis also we can move it around 360 degree, and then fifth axis it's like closing and opening the gripper. So this axis we can move it around 90 degree, and fourth axis we can rotate the around 360 degree. Okay. So and the axis is main example here, main consideration here. So we have used the Cortex M4 processor here. It's the main component here, component one. And then we have one servo board here for the every axis, and for the gripper we have one potentiometer. So the potentiometer, this gripper with those kind of equipments, I mean components which is used for to control the each and every movement of the our robot. Okay, so we can communicate by using the stepper port and then potentiometer through the processor. We can control the entire pick and place. Okay, thank you.